Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use BlueSky. So you might be trying to figure out how you can use the BlueSky social application. Now, this is an app that a lot of people have just started using, so I'll go and give you a breakdown on exactly how to use it. Now, this is what the application looks like. So you can go inside of your Play Store or your iPhone App Store and download this app. Now, once you download it, you can go and click on open, and you can basically get into a page that looks very similar to the old styling of Twitter. So when you first open it up, it will tell you to create an account and log in. So once you log in and you create an account, you will come to this page. Now at the very top, you will see this top left logo, which is just this 3 lines. If you tap on those 3 lines, it will allow you to come into this page, which will show you your search bar, so you can search for things, your home page if you want to go straight into home, your chat if you have messages with anybody, notifications, feeds, lists, profile, which is your profile in the settings. So if you tap on settings, this is where you can go through and basically change out all of your settings, your panels here, so you kind of configure this out whichever way you want to. And if you ever want to delete your account or deactivate it, you can also do that right here. Now, hopping back out, in the top right, you will see this little hashtag. This is going to be your feeds. So you can configure your feeds whichever way you want to. So if you want to change your discover following, if you want to change some other things you're interested in, your mutuals or whatever things, you can also add those right here, and you can edit them by clicking in the top right, edit button, hopping back out. Here you will then see two different buttons, a discover button and the following button. So between here, you can click on discover or you can click on following. So if you're following people, it will show up right here. Or if you just want to click on discover and just see new options, you can also see that here. If you want to go ahead and actually create a post inside of BlueSky, you can click on the bottom right, which is this blue icon right here. And that will actually allow you to go and start basically posting. So from here, you can just say hi, or you literally just write down whatever post you want to post out, and then you can go and even add an image to it if you want to add take a photo and add it. And if you want to change the language to a different language, you can do that here too. And you have a character count, I think of up to 300 right now, but that will probably change in the future. And then you can even change how the public, if whether the public can view it or not. So you can click right here. You can change it to being a private post to a nobody post to just being just yourself, and you kind of change it here too. And when that's done, you can click on done. You can click on post if you want to post it, or you can click on cancel if you want to just go and discard it. Now, if you want to go ahead and basically see a particular post like this, you can see that these posts are just random posts. As you probably would expect it, you can go ahead and follow the person if you want to, just by clicking there. You can also go through and click on the like button if you want to like a particular post. You can click on this retweet button or the redo button. I don't know what they're going to call it on here, but you can basically click on that button if you want to repost it. And then you can even share this post app by clicking the share button. You can click on the 3 dots here if you want to get a little bit more options here. So that's another really cool thing. And if you ever want to report a post, you can also just click on report post at the bottom, and that will allow you to report it. Now, these tabs at the bottom, you can basically just scroll through as you normally would. These tabs at the bottom give you a few other options too. So the second tab will basically just give you the search bar. So you can go through and just click on the search bar, and you can search for things within, BlueSky. So if you're looking for a particular person or post, you can search for that right here. You can even see suggested accounts right here. This middle option is your chats or your message. So if you're chatting with anybody or messaging with anybody, that will come up right here as well. This little bell icon is your notifications. So if you have anybody you want to be notified of, or if anybody's sending you notifications or whatever, that information will come up right here as well. Then finally, this bottom right post, or this little bottom right icon, will go and bring you into this page. And this page will basically just be all of your different type of, like your profile yourself. So any type of profile that you have, any post you have done, you can basically see that information right here. So at the core, that's kind of how you use BlueSky. It's fairly easy type of application to kind of use. If you have any other thoughts or question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.